friends, welcome to Swadva's Corner. Today we are going to make eraser. To make eraser we need a bowl, spoon, white glue, and some salt. So let's get started. First we need a bowl and add some white glue to it. Here I am using white glue because I was not knowing that it works with clear glue or not. So I would suggest you to use white glue only. After that, add some salt to it. Add salt gradually so that the glue doesn't have excess of salt. Keep adding the salt little by little. After some time you will see that the glue has become like a dough. After that keep the dough aside. Then bring any cotton cloth or any hanky and remove the water of that eraser from it. Press it like I am showing to remove the water from it. Then give shape to it. You won't be able to give the shape that properly, but you can give any rectangle or circle. After giving the final shape, one more time remove the water from it. Then what? Our eraser is ready. Now let's check if it works or not. Here I am writing Swadva's Corner. Oh, by mistakenly I wrote the T wrong. And see how perfectly it works. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.